Now it's time to begin with our today's maths class. Yes. So if you remember, yesterday we have done additions. Remember that? How I told you that now please stop using your bar methods and you have to practice your addition using your fingers. So you have shared your work and still I can see few of you have used bar methods. वो पिक्चर क्लिक करने से पहले इरेज किए थे आप लोगों ने, but please try to solve these sums using your fingers. Okay, मैम को पता लग जाता है who is doing with bar method. Clear? Now, what are we going to do today? So today we are going to do the practice. Yes, today we are going to do the practice of another topic, that is, can anyone read this for me? Number names. Yes. So you remember we have written the spelling of different numbers from 1 to 20. Yes, we did that. So yes, today we are going to do revision of the same topic. Clear? Now the work to be done in your notebook, but before that, don't be in a hurry to open and start with the work. First, understand it. Let's do this work on the board one by one. After that, first we'll write on the board 1 to 20 one by one, and after that you will do this in your notebook. Few of you are making mistakes in the counting or in writing the numbers of like we have numbers 15, 14. Somewhere you are getting confusion. So today I am going to clear you that also. Clear? Let's begin with the work now. So number names from 1 to 20. Clear? So let's begin with the numbers first. We will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then we have 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So rest we will write again on the next side. Okay? Let's begin writing the numbers now. So sorry, the names now. So what is this? 1. Say with me, 1. So how we are going to write? O-N-E, 1. Many of you are writing it like this. O-N-E. You will not use your capital letters. You will write only first alphabet capital. बाकी letters आपको अपने cursive small alphabets में ही लिखना है. Clear? Now if I get any work like this, you will get a big cross on that work. I will not check that work at all. Is that clear to all? I am not going to check it for you. You have to write it like this. Clear? And in your test or in your assessments, everywhere, whenever you are doing, you will do it like this only. O-N-E, 1. Then we have 2. So let's write that. T-W-O, 2. How we write? T-W-O, 2. Next number 3. So let's do T-H-R-E-E, 3. Three. जब आप इन्हें phonetically बोलेंगे और sounds को ध्यान से सुन के लिखेंगे, आप सब spellings को easily लिख पाओगे. Everywhere I am saying, be that your EVS, English, Maths, कहीं पर भी, even for Hindi also I am telling you, जब आप हिंदी में भी कोई word लिखते हो, कोई अक्षर लिखते हो, तो उसमें आने वाले हर स्वर और व्यंजन को बोलते समय ध्यान से बोलेंगे, तो उसकी जो आपको साउंड आ रही है, ध्वनि आ रही है, उसको आप जब कॉपी करते जाओगे तो आप अच्छे से शब्दों को बना पाओगे। हर अक्षर की ध्वनि को ध्यान से सुनेंगे। फॉर हिंदी ऑल्सो एंड फॉर इंग्लिश जब आप लिख रहे हैं प्लीज लिसन टू ऑल द साउंड्स एंड देन राइट द लेटर। इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ 1 2 3, so what is the next? 4। अब आप लोग कुछ लोग ऐसे लिखते हो F O। अब ये क्या होता है, इस लाइन की वजह से ये E हो जाता है। डोंट डू इट लाइक दिस। ये E होता है तो आपकी स्पेलिंग EORE हो जाती है FORE की जगह, FOUR की जगह, सॉरी EOUR हो जाता है, 4 नहीं लगता ये। क्लियर? सो डोंट डू इट लाइक दिस। How you are going to do that? FOUR 4, FOUR 4। और अगर इस F में प्रॉब्लम है तो आप ऐसे लिखो FOUR, ऐसे लिख दो, बट इसको ज्वाइन नहीं करोगे, ये फिर E लगता है। क्लियर एवरीवन? डोंट मेक दिस मिस्टेक नाउ। चलिए, अगर आपको इसमें प्रॉब्लम है, आई राइट द नॉर्मल F हियर एंड यू कैन आल्सो राइट दैट FOUR 4। सेम फॉर 5 आल्सो। 5 में भी जब आप ऐसे लिख देते हो सो अगेन वो E लगता है, सो डोंट राइट इट लाइक दिस। फॉर 5 आल्सो F को अलग लिखिए और बाकी अल्फाबेट्स अलग, लाइक दिस FIVE 5। Clear? So 1 ONE 1, TWO 2, THREE 3, FOUR 4, FIVE 5. Now next number we have, अब visible हो गया ना? So next number we have is 6. So how we are going to write? SIX 6, SIX 6. Clear? Okay, what is the next one we have? 7. So we will write SEVEN 7. Clear? SEVEN 7. Now after that, which is the next number you have? 8. So how we are going to write? EIGHT 8. EIGHT 8. After 8 we have 9. Can anyone tell me what is the spelling of 9 here? NINE 9. So how we'll write? NINE 9. Clear? Then we have 10. So you can write TEN 10. Understood? So let's have a revision. ONE 1, TWO 2, THREE 3, FOUR 4, FIVE 5, SIX 6, SEVEN 7, EIGHT 8, NINE 9 and TEN 10. And I hope you all are very much clear till here. सबको 10 तक तो बहुत easily learn हो चुके हैं and no one is making mistakes. अब mistake कहाँ शुरू होती है? जब 11 शुरू हो जाता है. Isn't it? Isn't it like that? अब नहीं होगी. 11. Say with me, ill. So we will write See, L A V N 11, isn't it? एक एक साउंड को बोलिए, L A V N 11. Got it? Next we have is 12. 12. T W 12. Tell me which are the sounds coming to you. Which alphabets to be written here? T W 12. 12. 12. See, T W L L A L L V V V E. Now see, T W E L V E, and the answer is correct. This is the spelling of 12. T W E L V E 12. मैम ने आपके सामने साउंड्स ही लिख के लिखा है, ऐसा तो नहीं था कि मैम को रोट लिया था। T W 12, isn't it? Now अब मिस्टेक क्यों होती है? 13, 14 is 4 and teen, तो आपने 13 को क्या समझा? 3 और teen, वो 3 teen हो जाता है, 13 नहीं होता है। So how you are going to write 13? Tell me that. थ T और H को मिक्स होके बना थ इर थिर इर ई र। ई की साउंड कौन सा अल्फाबेट देता है? आई। यस, सो हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू राइट? T H थ इर थिर। थर हो गया, ये फिर हो गया 13 teen, then you will write teen 13। अब जब आप T H R E 3 और teen लिखते हो तो वो 3 teen हो जाता है, 13 नहीं होता, because आपने सोच, because for 14 it is 4 and teen. I know that, very easy, 4 की स्पेलिंग लर्न कर रखी है, उसमें teen लगा दो, 14 हो गया, isn't it? So let's write that now. 14 14। अब यही कंफ्यूजन आपको इस वाली स्पेलिंग में होता है। Many of you write 15, it's not 15, it's 15। आप क्या लिखते हो? 5 लिखते हो और आगे teen लिख देते हो, isn't it? Many of you write like this, FIVE 15, but ये 15 तो नहीं होता, it is 15, isn't it? ये क्या होता है? 15, so this is wrong. How you are going to write? Again listen, if, fifth, isn't it? So if 15, these are common mistake। ये 5 और 3 वाली जो है ये बहुत common mistake करते हो आप लोग, I know that, because some of the spellings are now 16 is 6 and teen 16, तो ये बहुत common mistake इन दो में तो बहुत होती है। So please be careful, this is not 3 teen, it's 13 और ये 5 teen नहीं होता, it's 15। Clear? Okay, next we have is 16. So how we are going to write? 6 and teen. So let's see, 6 teen 16, isn't it? 6 teen 16. So how we wrote? SIXTEEN 16. Clear? Okay. Can anyone tell me which is the next number we have? 17. Again 7 and teen. Easy for you? So 17. SEVENTEEN 17. Now we have 18. So you are all aware of these. I'm erasing them from here now. Now we have done till 17. So can you tell me how you are going to write 18? 18. डिफिकल्ट लग रही थी स्पेलिंग्स, मैम ने उनको आपके सामने साउंड्स से लिखा है. सो यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज द सेम रूल. साउंड्स तो अब क्लियर हो ही चुकी है सबको. ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू, दीज आर वॉवल साउंड्स. उसके अलावा आपके बाकी जितने भी कॉन्सोनेंट अल्फाबेट्स हैं उनकी क्या साउंड्स हैं, किन दो अल्फाबेट्स को मिला के क्या साउंड आती है. वी हैव डन ऑल दिस, इजंट इट क्लास? सब कुछ तो हमने कर लिया है. वी हैव लर्नड इट. व्हाई डोंट यू यूज इट? सो नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर यू to do this work in the notebook without taking anybody's help. Clear? So let's see how we are going to write this in the notebook. Let me show you. So this is your classwork as well as your homework. You are going to write number names from 1 to 20 once as classwork and once as your homework also. So let's see how to do the work now. Okay? So class, now open your maths notebook and let's see how we are going to do this work in our notebook. Okay? So first open the maths notebook, write date, classwork and topic. So what is the topic we are doing? Number names from 1 to 20. So what you will do? You will write your numbers like this as I have written from 1 and I have completed it till 20. Clear? And after writing the numbers, let's start writing the number names now. So the first number we have is 1. So how we are going to write that? O-N-E 1. Now I have done a small mistake. लाइन से नीचे कोई अल्फाबेट नहीं आएगा. सो लाइक दिस. क्लियर? इसी तरह से नीटली लिखना है आपको, बोल्डली भी लिखना है, छोटू छोटू सा नहीं लिखना है. O-N-E 1. सो नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज 2. T-W-O 2. Understood? Now 3. T-H-R-E 3. देखा मैम ने क्या करा है? लाइन के ऊपर लिख रहे हैं और एक ही बॉक्स में, बॉक्स से ऊपर नहीं जाना है आपको. सो दिस वन बॉक्स इज योर लिमिट ऑफ राइटिंग इट. ऊपर वाली लाइन से नहीं बाहर निकलना और नीचे वाली लाइन के ऊपर लिखना, उससे नीचे नहीं आना है. अंडरस्टूड? नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज 4. सो व्हाट इज दैट? F. अब यहीं से लिखना है 4? नो. O-U-R 4. देखो अब मैम अगर इसको ज्वाइन कर देती है तो ये E बन जाता है ना. सो अब हमें इसे E नहीं बनाना है. ओके? नेक्स्ट इज 5. F-I-V-E 5. Clear? Then we have 6. S-I-X 6. What is this? 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. After 7 we have 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Then we have written, after 8, what we are going to write? 9. Yes. So how we are going to do that? N-I-N-E 9. Then we have T-E-N 10. After that we have 11. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. Then 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. Clear? Then 13. It's not 13, it's 13. Teen. 13. Understood? Then 14. FOURTEEN. 14. Next we have 15 or 15. We have 15. Very good. So we will write if 15. 15. Which is the next one we have? 16. So we will write 16. 16. Then after that, on the next page we have some numbers. What is this? 17. Yes, we will write SEVENTEEN. 17. After that we have 18. EIGHTEEN. 18. After that we have 19. So NINETEEN. 19. And last we have 20. Like this. 20. Clear? So this is how you will write your number names from 1 to 20. And as I told you, once you are going to do as your classwork and once as your today's homework also. So homework will be same as classwork. Is that clear to everyone? How to do the work now? So class, I hope you have understood how you are going to do the work. Again I am saying, don't learn these spellings like parrots. Parrot की तरह रटना नहीं है. You have to understand them and write and practice them in the by writing them like this. ठीक है? रटना आप थोड़ी देर के लिए तो कर पाओगे. आपने देखा है पैरट को जब हम कोई चीज रटवा देते हैं वो बोलता रहता है, बट जब वो उसे बोलना छोड़ देते हैं वो फिर भूल जाता है. Because this is called cramming, रटना. Don't cram it, just understand it. Clear? जब आप understand करोगे, when you will understand the sounds and you will write, you will never ever forget. So please, it's a request, you can say, and it's a humble request again. Please learn these spellings with sounds. Bye for now. Take care and get ready for the next.